This video of a girl burning her cigarette with her hair open and blowing in the wind. Trump, the burning face of the supreme leader of Iran, has shocked the internet. This is not a rebellious act, but a death-defying declaration against a 47-year-old regime and its supreme leader. Iran is not just protesting, it is creating a revolution. At 1.5 million riyal against a single US dollar, the Iranian economy not just collapsed, it just vanished. Middle-class people saw their incomes and earnings turning into nothing on a single morning. On top of it, the leaked government budget showed a staggering 150% increase in military spending, while people were struggling to buy their daily bread. The message was clear. The regime's survival is more important than your hunger. The immediate reason for this massive unrest is the depreciation of the Iranian economy. The Iranian rial has plummeted to new lows, and people have suddenly found it unaffordable to buy basic necessities. The hyperinflation has gone above 40%, with food prices increasing above 70%. So it has become difficult for the middle-class families to buy groceries and even medicines. On top of it, the late Iranian budget showed a staggering 150% increase in military spending, which has angered the public even more. The government has further angered them by removing subsidies for basic items. In the political sphere, we can see that there is a systemic corruption among the Iranian elite class and the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps. There is also a question remaining regarding the succession of the supreme leader of Iran. This political instability and the corruption charges have further eroded the trust in the public. On top of it, we can also see that the 2022 movement, Women, Life and Freedom, is still gaining pace among the youth. The youth are protesting against the long-imposed social restriction and gender and dress codes. We can see them openly defying the hijab norms. And also, there is a growing unrest among the ethnic minorities like Kurds and Baluchs who feel alienated and are frustrated from a very long time due to the ethnic marginalization and the cultural indifference shown to them over a long period of time. Long misuse of natural resources is also a triggering factor. The mismanagement of dam has led to water scarcity and drought in many of the rural regions. Even after being an oil-rich nation, Iran has faced severe gas and electricity disruptions, which has angered the public even more. Iran has lost its trusted allies with the regime fall of Assad government in Syria and the weakening of Hezbollah in Lebanon. And this time, the world is not watching from the sideline. US government has openly given support to the protests, and Trump has given an additional 25% tariff on countries trading with Iran. The US Navy has seized Bella 1, the ship carrying Iran's ghost oil. With this measure, Iran has lost its last supply of cash. President Donald Trump has said that US is locked and loaded for an attack on Iran. Israel is also closely watching this development and plans to take most of it as it tries to destroy the nation that poses a nuclear threat to it. For the Gulf countries, it's a very delicate balance between having a new neighbor and maintaining order and peace. India also needs to have serious reconsideration about its priorities. You can see that the tariff is already creating a bad situation for our economy. As India plans to host Iran for the BRICS summit and progress with the Chabad port, these recent developments also needs to be taken into consideration. As this cigarette burns down, so is the old order in Middle East. Whether this will result in freedom of Iran or in complete ashes needs to be seen. However, one thing is certain, Iran will never be the same again, and so will not be the Middle East. Thank you for watching.